Hello everybody, how are you doing? Welcome to our YouTube channel, Salsa and Bachata Lessons. And let's go for our fifth and final bachata little move that I love to use all the time. It's quite simple to lead, about improver to intermediate, and let's have some fun. All right, we're gonna do it on this side first. It's just the intro. We're gonna push away the lady after a basic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice I've also went a little bit diagonally back so we have nice space. And we're gonna bring the lady almost to a shadow position, lifting the left hand up. 5, 6, 7, and 8. All the move will be shown in this direction. So what we just did now, let's do it together. And 1, 2, push away, roll the lady in. 5, 6, 7, 8. You want slightly to push your chest forward to stop the lady on the upper back and keep this lower part away from the lady. Don't smack the lady, her whole body on you. Okay, from here, without steps, what we do, we're gonna hold on a scissor hold or slightly pinching the fingers, lift up, keeping 90 degrees the lady's hand, and push them down so the lady goes up, grab the hip bone, the lady lands the hand softly down, and we've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do that with the step. Basic, both of us with the left to the side, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lady softly down. 7, 8. We're gonna do a side basic forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, you wanna use the lady's back of the palm with your thumb to place it just a little bit above your knee. Now, guys, let's turn around to the other side and see what do we do. So we're gonna move right this side. Now I'm far away from the lady. I'm gonna push my hip forward, left and down. That's gonna lead the lady to do the same thing as me. And you wanna be in a shadow position so you're not exactly behind the lady. That's not polite. And go 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's time two things at the same time. Using the heel of your left hand, you're gonna slide to her shoulder. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna roll the lady to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fake it here. 6, 7, 8 to a body wave. Now we have only 4 counts. 2 up and then a flick. 1, 2, hold the lady's hand. 3, 4. Use your body to move forward and push the lady away. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna go doble, the right hand over. 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll the lady in. And now here, I usually do a body wave so I can enter back on 1 because we changed that timing just for 2 8s. Let's go to music.
Y yo me quedo en la sombra esperando tu mirar. Pero sé, mi amor, que algún día vendrás cuando descubras que no te da lo que sueñas. Y aquí estaré